Multiplicative comparison, a fourth-grade math skill. Multiplicative comparison is a key concept in fourth-grade math that involves comparing quantities using multiplication. This presentation explores the basics of multiplicative comparison and provides strategies for solving related problems. What is multiplicative comparison? Comparing quantities. Multiplicative comparison involves finding out how many times larger one quantity is compared to another. It uses multiplication to determine the difference between two quantities. Multiplication is key. Instead of simply finding the difference, we determine how many times larger one number is than the other. For instance, 12 is 3 times larger than 4 because 12 equals 3 times 4. Essential vocabulary. Keywords like times as many and greater than signal multiplicative comparison problems. Understanding these words is crucial for identifying and solving such problems. Importance of multiplicative comparison in fourth grade math. Developing proportional reasoning. Multiplicative comparison lays the foundation for understanding proportional reasoning, a vital skill for advanced math concepts and real-life applications. Problem solving. It equips students with the ability to solve real-world problems involving comparison and scaling, making them more confident in applying math to everyday situations. Building number sense. It enhances students' number sense by helping them recognize and understand the relationships between different numbers through multiplication. Preparation for algebra. Multiplicative comparison builds a strong foundation for understanding algebraic concepts like variables and equations. Examples of multiplicative comparison problems. Example 1. John has 6 marbles, and Sarah has 3 times as many marbles as John. How many marbles does Sarah have? Example 2. A blue ribbon is 10 inches long. A red ribbon is 5 times shorter than the blue ribbon. How long is the red ribbon? Example 3. A bakery sold 12 cupcakes on Monday. On Tuesday, they sold 4 times as many cupcakes as on Monday. How many cupcakes did they sell on Tuesday? Strategies for solving multiplicative comparison problems. Read carefully. Carefully identify the quantities being compared and the comparison word. Set up an equation. Translate the word problem into a multiplication equation based on the relationship between the quantities. Solve the equation. Use your multiplication skills to find the unknown quantity. Check your answer. Ensure your answer makes sense in the context of the problem. Hands-on activities for practicing multiplicative comparison activity. 1. Use different size blocks to represent quantities, such as a small block representing 1 unit and a large block representing 3 units. Students can then compare the blocks using multiplication. Activity 2. Play a game where students have to create groups of objects, like crayons or pencils, based on a given multiplication relationship. Activity 3. Use a number line to visually represent the relationship between quantities, allowing students to see how multiplication scales up the original quantity. Common misconceptions and challenges. Addition versus multiplication. Students may confuse multiplicative comparison with simple addition, leading to incorrect answers. It's crucial to emphasize the use of multiplication in this context. Interpreting comparison words. Understanding the language of comparison words like times as many and greater than is crucial for setting up the correct equation. Applying real-world concepts. Connecting multiplicative comparison to real-life scenarios, such as comparing the number of apples in 2 different baskets, can help students grasp its practical applications. Conclusion and key takeaways. Multiplicative comparison is a fundamental math skill that helps students develop proportional reasoning, solve real-world problems, and build number sense. By practicing various strategies and engaging in hands-on activities, fourth graders can master this concept and build a solid foundation for their future math journey.